those countries. We can even go there to do trainings. We can even go there to do product presentation and sales recognition. Am I clear? So what does it mean? The company now will support your growing group, your thriving group in 200 countries worldwide, online and offline. Okay, so what will happen? You can now sponsor people in 200 countries worldwide. People coming from US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Italy, Spain, Russia, Brazil, Mexico. Now, they can have a legitimate business and now they can be positioned as your downlines. We will create global packs. Global packs that are having the products of iProtex and CareLift. And we can deliver this product to those particular countries. And you can sponsor them. And they can build the business there online. Pag dumami sila doon, we can go there, just like what we did in Paris, just like what we did in Korea. Pag dumami sila doon, the company can continue training them online and offline. We can do sales rally. So you're just building your group online. Pag dumami doon, then we can go there. Is it a good strategy? Is it a good strategy?
Yes.
So this time around, when they receive these products, anywhere in the world, they can sell it. They could sell it, they could retail it to customers. Why? It doesn't need product registration in those countries. In 200 countries worldwide. Ngayon, pwede na tayo lang tumawid. Pwede na magkaroon ng cross-culture. Everybody say cross-culture. When we say cross-culture, you have a big group in Spain, pero puro Pinoy. You have a big group in Italy, pero puro Pinoy. You have a big group in UK, pero puro Pinoy. Tama ba? Why? Because they are afraid to sell C24/7 because C24/7 is not registered there. Am I right? This time around, if we convert them to AIM World and these products will be delivered to their door-to-door, what can now happen? People in France can sell to French people. Yung mga Pinoy na nasa UK can sell to French. Pinoy na nasa Italy, they can sell to Italians. Pinoy na nasa Spain, they can sell to those people there. They can sell and they can sponsor them, and those locals can do the business because they would understand. Because the website can be converted into any language there is. Power na power na power!
Power na power!
Guys, we are the first company in Asia and the Philippines that has done this. Wala pang gumagawang company na ganito coming from Asia. From the Philippines to 15 countries, now to 200 countries worldwide. And this time around, we can monitor it. We will monitor kung saan-saan i-deliver itong dalawang products na to. US, Canada, to as many as 100, 150, 200 countries there is. So our goal is to be present on each and every country there is in the global map. That's why it's called AIM World. Excited ka na ba?
Yes!
Next. Okay. So that you could sponsor people, from what I've said, we created this very short AVP. Please watch this.